I'm gonna come in and going down right in the middle of that. Look at, just keep going. I want to layer this. And look at that, see that right there? That needs to be layered. So I will, and I'm just gonna ever so slightly go in, texture. You're just point cutting, and that's just softening all those edges. Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here. I just want to say hello and just let you know I'm back. I have extensions again. It's so hard not to get extensions because I love long hair. I feel like it makes me look a lot younger. So I'm going to take these scissors and I'm going to look at where's the last piece that I had. This is my own hair. I am going to angle my own hair just a little bit more. I'm going to take the next piece with that. Listen, take little tiny pieces. You're coming straight down with that scissor. Gently go down, go down, go down. Okay, love that. Next piece. Okay, I'm gonna come in. I'm going down right in the middle of that. Look at. Just keep going, just keep going, just keep going. Just make sure you're holding it the right way. Because if you're holding that the wrong way, it's not gonna work. Let me see if I put this light on. Will be a little brighter for you guys to see. Listen, it's late. I'm a night owl, just so you know. I'm really a night owl and I love to do things late at night because I have a lot more energy. Okay, I like that. I could just do a little bit more going upward right there. Okay, you're looking at an angle going down like this. Now, the next piece. Now look it has to be on an angle right here like this. You're using, if you could hold that that comb, you could just go straight up to the comb and do it, just so you know, if it'd hold. But I like to just use, my imagination and just go up, up, up. It's on that nice angle. Now watch. See, you're always looking at that angle. I could even do a little bit more here. Love that angle. Now I'm going to take the next piece. Right there. I'm just going to do a little bit more right here because I want it a little softer. I need to point cut because extensions are they could be a little harsher. Okay. Now I just want to show you something really quick. Just how much it changed and softened that one length ledge. I don't like that. You see how it's just cut off? I mean, I have my own pieces right here, but like where the extension is, if that's in front, it's right, just this long straight line. I don't like that. I like it super soft right around my face. And then when I feather that, or if I leave it scrunchy and curly, it has a beautiful, I want to say, hairline that just looks so soft and so nice. And I like softness on my face. You know, you're always thinking, what does somebody look good with? Listen, if they have a really round face, you could have this one length because then it makes the face more oval. I want mine a little away from my face in a sense. So I don't want this long thing to make my face look skinnier. Now I'm gonna take the next piece, go forward, and now I'm gonna be going up. Okay, one, and I'm really gonna soften that thickness on that bottom because it's pretty thick. All right, now I'm just gonna take this one by itself. You're gonna look and see, like, is anything heavy? You see that heaviness right there, like straight line? So I need to come in here and I need to put it on an angle. Okay, so I soften that one straight long piece. So much better. Love that, yep. And I like that length. I actually probably even like it a little shorter because I am gonna layer it more. So I am going to take this bottom. Now you gotta make sure too, when you're combing it, make sure it's staying where it lives. You understand? So you have to make sure it's laying down in the back, coming straight. So I am gonna just cut this here shorter because I definitely like it better shorter. And I need to soften all that hair because it's just too ledgy. Because that's kind of how extensions are. And these are really cool extensions. These are new. They're by Davines, and they're finer. They're thinner hair. which even though you guys all think I have tons of thick hair, I really don't. I just make it look that way. But I do take hair vitamins and it really makes a difference. I even like my hair, I feel like about here. That's like my favorite length. So I'm probably gonna take them up a little bit more. Now, before I just cut that length off, what I wanna try to do is think, okay, I wanna layer this. Now look at that, see that right there? That needs to be layered. So I will, and I'm just gonna ever so slightly go in, texture, you're just point cutting, and that's just softening all those edges. Now look when I comb that hair again. See, it's nice and on that beautiful angle to keep it long. I'm gonna come up higher, like that. That definitely has to be cut. So I'm gonna hold it this way, it's just more comfortable. And then I'm gonna come behind and I'm gonna etch it out with the inside of my scissor. Etch that out. Just go etch it out. You're doing this part of the scissor. Yeah. Now I'm going to take a middle piece and see where that's at. I'm connecting. You see all that extra hair right there? Because that's the extension. I'm going to take that. I'm going to etch it out right in that center. Just keep going down, go down, go down. Look at even right here. You see how I need to just take that scissor and as long as you're going on that angle, and I could come up this way. Make sure there's no straight lines, just look at it. And you could zoom in on that. You could record it and then zoom in on that so you could see it better. Yeah, love that. And just that little bit more. I feel like right there is like the perfect length. And it's close to my own hair too. Now listen, do you do a straight line? I don't like doing straight lines because then it's just too thick right there. So I like to make it softer. So sometimes I even come in here and I'll even layer this. I even come in here and just put it on an angle. So it's not this one strong, heavy blunt line. I'm not a blunt liner, you guys know that. Okay, so let's look how much I cut off this one already and see how long this is, and it's like kind of just hanging down there. I like it better here. Now I'm gonna also pull it back here because this is my back part. And I wanna see, do I have to do any more? Just a little. I'm just going to kind of pull this up and see what it's looking like, because this is how you cross-check it. Yeah, that looks good. I just need to do this little tiny piece right here. Perfect. Yep. And even here, if I want more of an angle, I'm going to come more. If I need to kind of cut a little bit of weight out of there, I could go in here. Just do a little bit more. Yep, I'm super happy with this side. I'm loving it a lot. And then I just have to thin it out more on the bottom. So I'm just gonna come here. You're still using an imaginary line though. That's what I want you to know. Okay, it's like, it's not that you don't have some kind of line on there, you do, but it's just soft and you kind of cut points to that line. So this way it still has a shape, it's still here. Now watch. It's still a line, but it's not a strong, solid, thick line. Yeah, that's my favorite length. That I like the best. Now watch, if I push this out of the way, okay, I want you to see it that way, and then if I push this here, and I push that out of the way, I feel like this is just a little too hanging. And not that I don't like it, I do like it long like that, but I like this so much better. First of all, it's a lot easier when I style my hair. Sometimes longer hair is harder to style, but I really love that. yeah, so that is perfect for me. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, and then I'm gonna have a great haircut. My hair is gonna be so easy for tomorrow. Because tonight I'm gonna be going to bed, but I wanted to not miss this opportunity of teaching you because I love, love, love teaching. All right, it's getting pretty hairy in here. That was a lot of hair. All right, now we go to the other side. Now also there's just something around here that I wanna like fix. I just wanna do a little bit more right here. Okay. Now we're gonna go here. All right, now look at your imaginary line. You're gonna come down and it's gonna go like this. You're gonna come down and it's gonna shoot down like that. I love, and I'm just ever so slightly gonna keep going down. Listen, I'm just doing this with my scissors. I'm not going hard. I'm nice and gently, just doing a little bit. That's it, okay? It's a little thick right there, but I like that already, much, much better. It already softens my face so much. I definitely like a lot of angles around my face. You know what's funny? Anytime I've ever tried to grow my hair out like one length, I never get compliments. Never, never, never. But the minute I layered my hair, I'm telling you, even at Gerber Salon, people would say, I want that girl's haircut that's downstairs. I want her haircut, I want her haircut, I want her haircut. Because people love layers. Layers are timeless. It is so timeless because they look so good. They give it a style as opposed to just being plain and no like funness in the hair. I mean, I love funness in that hair. Okay, so I'm gonna come straight down here. Even if you come up a little, because I need to make it a little more. There we go, beautiful angle. Starting to appear, so nice. Now the next piece. Okay, good. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna actually save some time and I'm gonna cut this bottom first with all this to match it. Now look at, you're looking in the mirror and you're thinking, okay, where's the line to come straight across? It's like right here. Okay, so you can either pick that up, you look at it, remember, it's gotta be straight in the middle and the back and both sections are pulled forward. Okay, so it'll be a lot easier. And I'm gonna also, nice and gentle, scoop that out too, right there. I have to like just softly layer that. But I'm gonna do this first and I'm looking, okay, it's right about here. Use your imagination. Pretty good. All right, I just have to do a little bit more, and I want to take that piece that I took inside there on the other side. Nice and gentle. I'm gonna just soften that. And really, you're just moving your thumb when you're doing this. Okay. Oh, I like that so much better. I don't like big straight lines here, and I don't like them right here. All right, so tell me, what else do I have to do? What else did I do on the first side that I have to do on the other side? I want to see if you guys know. I just love it so much. So this is Coach Kimmy. I love you, and I want you to know thank you for watching my channel. I pray to God that you learn and become a pro at the things that you want to do with hair. And don't forget, practice, practice, practice makes you perfect. No, practice, practice, practice makes you better. And more practice, practice, practice makes you even better.